This is a rear screen cup holder, yeah, and this is from Tesstudio. This can be used for both Model 3 as well as Model Y. 3-in-1 rear screen water cup holder. A warranty card. Take a look at this. Okay, rear screen cup holders. Oops. This obviously is where the screen are. Yep. And this is the aircon vents. And this is where you put your cups. And how do I take this out? Oops. Okay, so there's a button here, yeah, which you unlatch it. This is the USB port cover. Interesting, yeah. I was thinking, what is dangling here? This is basically a rubber piece for you to close it. Yeah, you can also open it. Yeah, okay, very nice. The thing is, if you put it this way, you can still access to your USB port. At the back here, you can only see there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 area. Take out all this, then after that, you just put on it. Then when you need the cup holders, you push it up, and when you don't need it, you can just hide it underneath. Yeah, and it will not eat into any space that you have when you sit this way, right? This way, latch it, then it should be at the back. Yeah, because there's a magnet here. You look at the mechanism here and here. See, look at these two pieces. Yeah, these are one of it is a metal, one of it is a magnet, and once they are stuck together, they won't move, right? Pretty good idea. Now this is really simple. This is the screen and this is the cup holder. So I'm not going to take all the stickers out yet. Yep. So I'm just going to put this like this just to try out. So after installing it, it should be like this, where there will be 2 extra cup holders for you. You can still access to your screen here. You can get the aircon. Everything looks just fine, yeah, just as normal. And over here, you can still access to your, USB port. And over here, you can just click on this and let it down when you don't need it. Yeah. So simple as that. So if you like this, click on the description below, yeah, to get it from Tesstudio. All right. Thanks for watching and bye.